Okay, class. So, again, as mentioned in the previous part, sa kaningay discussion, we are going to take a look at this listening activity, no? So, if we are going to see at sa atong nakita dire sa kaninga slide, daghan kaista ng mga syllables, and all the syllables are introduced, or ang nag-una gyud niya is the iyang. Iyang, this is the, of course, circle, no? And since it's in the initial, so na-write man siya as the initial consonant, so it has no sound. So it means it is silent. So whatever is, kung unsa man ugaling ang sound aning atong vowel, maura sad gid na siya inigbasa nato ani. So for example, kani siya a mani, di ba? A. So atong tan-aw ng audio file, ang audio file ako ang i-play twice, and then I will give you a very short gap lang, or very short pause, and then please do it sa inyuhang respective area kung asam ugaling mo. Repeat after the audio file, okay? So this is a, so let's try to play.
A.
Again.
A.
Now repeat. Okay, next, this one.
Ya. Ya.
Okay. Again, don't forget to repeat after the second playing of the audio file.
O. O.
Okay, this is O. Next.
Yo. Yo.
Okay, next.
O. O.
Next.
Yo. Yo.
Okay, next.
U. U.
Okay, all right, next.
U. U.
Second to the last.
U. U.
And the last is
E. E.
okay. So please don't forget, this one is
A. Ya. O. Yo. O. Yo. U. 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 E.
okay. Great job. So again, as I said, repeat after. So balik-balika lang yun ninyo, balik-balika until ma-familiarize ang sound sa vowels. Very important ang vowels. Bisan ako ga-struggle gyapon ko until now, pero mao gani na class, kinahanglan gyud ay tanin yung tanan mag-practice, no? Practice lang gyud tanin niyo. Kung ato ra gyud ning ma-achieve ang atong mga goals nga mamaayo na ta mo speak sa Korean language. Okay, next we have here vocabulary. We have here now words. Earlier mga syllables man to, karon we have here words. So let's try to take a look at this one is
I.
okay, I.
I.
Okay. So it means child. Next, let's have here
오이, 오이,
oi.
오이,
Oi.
오이,
Okay. Oi means cucumber. This is a cucumber, pepino, okay? Next, we have
우유,
uyu.
우유,
Uyu. Uyu.
우유,
Uyu is milk, gatas, okay?
여우.
Yau. Yau.
여우.
Yau means fox. So again, I will play it again.
아이,
오이, 우유,
여우,
Okay, next. So we have here other words.
여자,
This
여자,
one, 여자.
여자,
Okay,
여자,
여자. Next.
요리,
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 Okay, next.
오,
우,
오,
오,
우.
오,
And
우에,
우에,
우에.
우에,
Okay.
우에,
Alright, so 여자, it means woman, okay, lady. Yuri means cook or a chef. O is 5, it's in a Korean number system. And this one,
우에,
ue,
우에,
is friendship, okay? Now, let's try to take a look at this activity. What we will do is let's try to connect the word with a picture. Okay, so this one, ui, where should it go? Alright, so this should go with, okay, very good, this should go with a cucumber. Okay, number 2, this one is il. Okay, hana, this one dul, it's o should go with, it should be with, which is it, or which is the answer? Okay, it should go with number 5, very good. I, alright, I should go with, very good, child. Next, e, number 4, net here, e should go with, alright, it should go with number 2 or the tooth. And the last, number 5, yau should go with, of course, obviously with a fox. 잘했어요. Very good class. Alright, so now this is it for part 5. We'll proceed next time with part 6 of unit